Alright guys, so it took me a while, but I think I finally understand how to one-hand handstand. So this is a try. I ain't gonna do no retakes. I just going one time, so I'm going one time. So you're seeing. Yeah guys, so what I want to say is, I've been training for this move a long time, and well, the fact that I finally seen some progress, like every try I could understand how to hold it. I'm really proud. It took me about a little more than a year for me to be able to do it that well, but it's, even though you progress slowly, it's still progress. So like, I can't do it for like a minute or 30 seconds yet. I don't believe I could yet, but I know all I need to do is improve on my strength and my endurance to be able to hold it longer. So I'm gonna try one more time to show you guys. Yeah, I really get it. Alright guys, so keep trading though, never give up. Just a modest piece.